Hello everyone, welcome to the series of data analysis using JAMOVI. This is Dr. Atman Shah. In this video, I'm going to discuss how to perform one sample t-test in JAMOVI and its interpretation. You can subscribe to my YouTube channel to find more videos on JAMOVI, SPSS, RStudio, Mathematical Economics, MS Excel, Econometrics and Statistics. So don't forget to subscribe and press the bell icon. So let's begin with the concept of one sample t-test. Suppose we are interested to know whether students experience different stress levels than general population. So here I have the hypothetical data of 20 students and their stress level. Suppose the population mean or the stress level in the population is 40. So 40 is our mu. Now what is H naught in this case? H naught is the average stress level, of the students is not significantly different from 40. And H1 says that it is not equal to 40. That means it is significantly different from 40. So now we are going to see how to check this in JAMOVI. So first you go to t-test. Here we have the option of t-tests. Click on it. Select one sample t-test. Now what is our dependent variable? Our dependent variable is stress level, which is a continuous variable. Now here we have the option to insert the test value. Test value is nothing but the population mean. So in our case, population mean is 40. So write 40. Select descriptives and normality test. Because we know that one sample t-test is a parametric test and therefore it is required to have normally distributed data. So here you can see the result of normality test. P value is greater than 0.05, and therefore data is normally distributed. Now what is our sample mean? Sample mean is here 36.5, that is x bar. Our mu is 40. See here, mu is 40. What is t statistic? The t statistic is minus 1.20. Degree of freedom is n minus 1, which is 20 minus 1, that is 19. And the associated p-value is greater than 0.05. The associated p-value is greater than 0.05. You can see it is 0.246. Now since p-value is greater than 0.05, we fail to reject H naught. Now since we fail to reject H naught, we can conclude that the average stress level of students is not significantly different from 40, or it is not significantly different from the general population. So this is the idea of performing the one sample t test. Now let's understand the effect size. Now what is effect size? Effect size shows the practical significance. So here we have the option of effect size. So once you click on effect size, you can find the value here. Now since we have negative value, it means that our sample mean, that is x bar, is lower than population mean. That is why we have the negative sign. And since this value is near to 0.2, that means if effect size is near to 0.2, we can say that the difference is visible, that is 36.5 and 40, but not practically significant. But not practically significant. So this is how we interpret the effect size in case of one sample t-test. If you find this video useful, kindly like, share, comment and subscribe. Thank you.